So for my Restorative Art Lab, I've been thinking a lot on who I would do. I have chosen to do Joe Exotic. Joe Exotic to me has some crazy facial features that not a lot of people have. So the lines in his face and just kind of his personality in general made me choose him. So he's got a lot of the sulcus, the nasolabial fold. He basically had every natural facial marking as well as the acquired ones, but not just a little bit, to a pretty high degree. So the folds in his skin, the only thing that I don't think that he possesses is the dimple. Although I guess there could be a dimple here. It's just such a deep wrinkle that we're going to just call it the Angulosaurus sulcus because we don't know about a dimple being under there. The other things that I don't know is the philtrum because we don't see it due to his mustache and goatee. The Angulosaurus eminence is also sort of covered here just due to the mustache. So we'll do our best to find those when it's time. Let's see if I can move me out of the way here. So I couldn't find really a good picture of him with the cords of his neck. I know that he has them just from the videos that we've seen. It's just hard to get a clear picture of him. Again, he's got all the crazy markings that most people acquire. He just has them to the nth degree because he's rough. Guy's rough. He had all the acquired facial markings, all of them that we could find. So the bucofacial sulcus, I'm slaughtering these names, the cords of the neck, of course, the inferior palpebral sulcus, just the lines underneath his eyes, the interciliary sulci. He's got all, yeah. The lines on his lips, I couldn't find a great picture for the labial sulci, I don't know how to say that. The mandibular, I don't really know right here. I'm assuming that he does just because the rest of his face is so rough. So I have to find a better picture showing this part of his face for the mandibular sulcus. He's got a big nasolabial sulcus, and it's not covered by that crazy mustache goatee thing. He's got all the lines around the face, the optic facial. So I think he'll be a good one. Let's move this again. I think that he has a square face shape. It's kind of different in a lot of the pictures, but it does seem to be rather square jawline, flat cheeks. So in my opinion, I'm just going to say humbly that it's a square facial shape and go for that. He's got a plain convex shape profile because his forehead projects more forward and the chin is receding. So that's what I'm going with, is a plain convex profile shape for Mr. Joe Exotic, the Tiger King. Stay tuned to see how this goes. Could be a full giant disaster. Cheers.